Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at the Celsius app. So this is yet another cryptocurrency app and wallet that I'm trying out. You can see that I've deposited some Ethereum here just to try it out. So one of the things that I like about it is you just earn interest passively. You don't have to stake it. You don't have to do anything. You just kind of earn interest on it. And I thought that was really a good idea. So I was like, okay, let me sign up. I used a code to get in here. Let's see if I can pick up the code. Let's see. It says promo codes. So I tried to do this straight away, and the bank transfer took so long. The code expired now, so I'm not sure I'm going to get my $40 in DAI after holding on to this for a month. But I did stake $250 or so initially, but Ethereum has gone up since then, so it's well over that. It's almost 300. So anyway, I'm not really sure what's going to go on. I sent them a ticket. Hopefully they're going to honor that. Maybe they won't. I have no idea. We're going to find out. Okay, so there's a bunch of things in here. But the main thing is, you can see here, I just opened it. You can see the transfer that I made back then. And it finally came through on April 2nd. And it took like over a week or so. I don't even remember when this happened. I just remember I did it, and I was like, okay, I'll have to see when that comes in. Then I finally got notification today, hey, your Ethereum's in Celsius, and I was like, hey, that's cool. So it looks like they're paying 5.05 APY. There are other applications. I just checked on Voyager, and I think they were paying 5.25%, which is very similar, and you don't have to stake there either, so I kind of like that. So I want to see how this works out. One of the things that I remember where I saw it in here, my CEL. So you can see there's different loyalty levels, right, based on how many CEL you have in your account. I don't have any CEL in my account. And I don't know if I'll ever have any CEL on my account. Because you can see different levels. But I go to earnings, right? So I want to start earning CEL. Say I want to earn all rewards. You can choose them separately or the same or whatever. And I say save. And it says, due to regulatory guidance, CEL is temporarily not available for U.S. residents. I live in California. I'm a U.S. resident, so I can't earn CEL. So I will never, as far as I know, be able to move up in loyalty level because I'll never have any CEL in my account, which is kind of a bummer because it looks like you get some different earnings bonuses and stuff like that. Be nice if the regulatory snarls with cryptocurrency. I thought this was supposed to be free. Free currency, and it's supposed to be free from regulation. Well, there's some regulation, obviously, because there's some things we can't do, which is kind of a bummer. So, for now, I have to live without CEL, and I'm going to have to live with this 5.05 APY, and I'll see if I get my bonus tokens or not, my bonus $40. If they do, if they make good on it, I'll let you guys know. And if they don't, I'll let you guys know that too. And either way, if you guys want to take advantage of the Celsius app, I'm not really sure about it yet, but it looks okay. There is a bunch of tokens available. Like I said before, they pay pretty good interest rates. So, alright guys, let me know what you guys think about Celsius and CEL and the regulatory constraints that we're all experiencing here with this app and this current cryptocurrency. So stay subscribed to my channel for more crypto, stocks, options, dividends, wealth building techniques. Thanks for watching.